Hello. First of all, I would like to introduce. I'm Padriadi Wiharjo Kusumo to represent my college to deliver our presentations. We are very happy given the opportunity to join the first NSIC Best 2021 virtual of First North Sumatra International Conference on Business, Economic Sciences, and Technology. And now I'm gonna deliver our presentation. Here is our presentation entitled Analysis of the Effectiveness of BUMDES in Increasing Tourist Visits through the Pentahelic Model in Silalahi Tourism Village, Subdistrict of Sirilahi Sabungan dari Regency by Padriadi Wiharjo Kusumo, Binur Priti Napitupulu, Dormiana Panggabean, Dameria Girsang, Tourism and Hotel Academy of Dharma Agung, Medan. Introduction. Tourism on a national scale is an important sector and must be considered. The tourism sector can be relied upon in increasing the country's foreign exchange. To achieve this target requires the right strategy as initiated by former Tourism Minister Arif Yahya, namely by using the collaborations of the Pentahelic model, which consists of elements of academic, government, community, business, and media. The implementation of the Pentahelic model strategy has been stated in the Minister of Tourism Regulation of the Republic of Indonesia, number 14 of 2016, concerning guidelines for sustainable tourism destination. This is regulated to produce harmony and ensure activities, quality, services, facility, and to create a useful value and experience for tourism so as to generate benefit as well as benefits to the community and the environment throughout Indonesia. The Prapin of North Sumatra, which is also a target for tourism development in Indonesia, has considerable tourism potential. The tourism potential which can be developed includes various types of tourism, both natural tourism, artificial tourism, and cultural tourism. Lake Toba, which is 10 priority destination in Indonesia, is no longer in doubt. The panoramic beauty of Lake Toba can be enjoyed in several villages in Dari Regency, one of which is the tourism village of Silalaitu. Development and tourism activities in the tourism village of Silalaitu are carried out by the village government. In practice, the government establishes a business unit. The sustainability of the business unit is managed by the village-owned enterprises or BUMDES. In increasing village income, one of the government's approach is to establish BUMDES in accordance with Law number 32 of 2004. By managing the BUMDES business unit, it will be able to create a significant contribution in increasing the number of tourist visits in relation to the welfare of the village community. Therefore, the solution that can be offered to resolve the problem is by doing the Pentahelic model. Based on the background description above, the researcher feel interested in conducting a study with the title Analysis of the Effectiveness of BUMDES in Increasing Tourist Visit through the Pentahelic Model in Silalahi Tourism Village, Subdistrict of Silahi Sabungan Dari Regency. Literature Review. Effectiveness. Suwarno Handayani Ningrat states that effectiveness is a measurement in the sense of achieving a forefind a goal. This is in accordance with the opinion expressed by Hidayat, which explains that effectiveness is a measure that states how far the target, quantity, quality, and time has been reached, where the greater the percentage of targets. BUMDES, village-owned enterprises, or BUMDES, is a business entity whose implementation is engaged in social economic activities, etc. In its business field, BUMDES provides services to village communities. Minister of Home Affairs Regulation number 39 of 2010 concerning village-owned enterprises states in order to improve the financial capacity of village government in administering government and to increase community income through various economic business activities of village community, village-owned enterprises are established in accordance with the need and village potential. Pentahelix model. According to Subaryani's opinion, Pentahelix model is a reference in developing synergy between related agencies in sporting optimally in order to achieve a goal. With this strategy, the Silalahi Tourism Village government is expected to be able to develop the village and achieve sustainable development, competitive and effective. The role of each stakeholder in the Pentahelix model can be viewed as follows: academic as conceptor, business as enabler, community as accelerator, government as regulator, media as catalysator. Methodology. The method used in this study was a descriptive method with a qualitative approach. Research subjects were expected to provide complete information about the problem posed. The number of research subjects were 6 people, and each was given a question to answer the 5 themes proposed by the researcher. Analysis and results. The result in the study that the efforts of BUMDES in increasing tourist visits in the tourism village of Silalahi 2, Silahi Sabungan District Daerah Regency were 1. Mapping of tourism product and market based on the concept of core product and sporting product. 2. Strategy formulation, namely potential targets for tourism destination and tourism product development strategies, customer management and marketing management for the tourism village of Silalahi 2, Silahi Sabungan Sub-District Daerah Regency. 3. Strategy implementation, namely tourism village homestay product, customer management development, and marketing management development. Conclusion. From the result and discussion that have been carried out, the researchers conclude that the effort of BUMDES in increasing tourist visits in the tourism village of Silalahi 2, Silahi Sabungan Sub-District Daerah Regency are effective. I think that's all our presentation today. Thank you so much indeed. Bye.